Good morning, guys. This is your boy Ali. Welcome to my next vlog. So today we got a lot planned out. We're planning to go to New Jersey to buy some birds. My sister wants to purchase some birds she found online. They're little babies. We're planning to get they're parrots basically. She wants them. They don't sell them in Maryland, so we have to drive 2.5 hours just to get to that shop. But the downside to this trip is we might not make it because we only have 2 minutes to spare according to the GPS. So I have to run. I'll see you guys on the road. See you guys in a little bit. Look at this guy. That's huge. Yeah, I don't think I want to get nearby that thing though. Look at this. Wow. And it says not for sale. How's it going? How's it going? These guys are so loud, it's not even funny. Look at this guy. Hey! So we came to New Jersey. My sister wanted to get some birds. And I'm sorry if you can't hear me because it's pretty loud in there. It has a lot of birds. I mean, look at the warehouse. It's literally nothing but birds in the store. Oh, look at the babies. They're the babies. There's some big babies. This guy's the biggest one they have in here, which is crazy. I mean, you have no idea how big this guy is. And my dad will love this shop if I ever bring my dad here. Yeah. This guy's huge. Oh, this guy don't like me. They're like, leave me the hell alone. Alright guys, so we got the birds. So this is the spot right here. It's called them.Joe. So the birds we got right here. So we came all the way out here for these birds.
Birds by Joe.
Birds by Joe. I'm sorry thanks for correcting me, Fudger. See, these are the birds we got.
I think they're safe to catch.
Apparently in Pakistan they're a lot cheaper than here. They're about $100 a piece. So not up here, one is $100. So in Pakistan that's 3,500 rupees for a pair. I had to drive like 100 miles an hour just to make it here and try to avoid the police. So we made it. So let's go eat something.
Hi you guys. Now we just got the birds and my mom just told you about red chutney. And these are the birds we got. They're super cute. We got actually 3 of them. I don't know what one's doing. It's like lying down. And can I show you something? My mama, he gave me, from his last video, you saw that he had a fidget spinner and he gave me one of the pink ones. And he didn't show you these ones. This one, the heart-shaped one. Bird. They're baby birds. We don't know if they're females, males. We don't know yet. I'll see you at Red Chutney.
Papad. Paprika. Ayan. Papad ko pa. Papad ko pa. Okay. Alright. मतलब पापड़ तो ठीक
पापड़ सबके ठीक होते हैं क्योंकि पापड़ ऑलरेडी बने हुए हैं
Snack और beer.
और ये रखो
So this is what soup is this?
hot and sour
Hot and sour. And obviously fajr.
Find the H.
This stuff is really good. It's too good.
ठीक है माशाल्लाह अब तो बैठना है थोड़ा थोड़ा बैठता है अब तो काफी हाँ जी एक्टिव है भाईजान अब तो
It's kind of weird.
बैठते हैं हाँ
It's kind of spicy, but it's good.
खाए नहीं शाबाश देखिए
It has a little kick to it. Is that how you say it, right?
शादी में तो रखना नहीं ना होता
It's the kick before or after?
तो हसन साहब ने सफर में नहीं
Really
रखना
depends
होता
on you feel it.
इसका सफर
It's really good.
चल सही है फिर
So if you come to New Jersey, what is this place anyway? New Jersey what?
Red Chutney
No, the city.
Township.
I think it's called Township. Check out the description. I'll leave a little link and the address for this restaurant. But check it out. It's really good. And it's halal. And if you're not into halal, they do have the other stuff for you too, in case you like drinking and stuff. But anyhow, so I'll leave that. Just leave the address in the description. But we're still waiting for the rest of the food to see how that is. She's crying on the
You want
wall.
these ones?
Look at this. Crying. Look at
बोला कि सही है वो फिर भी दे दिया
It's called customer service. So we got fried rice right here. Fried rice right here. And she's crying again.
No.
And what is this? Rice and noodles?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Szechuan noodles.
Okay, whatever he just said. What is this?
Thai curry, chicken curry.
Thai chicken curry. And what is this?
Rozada.
Rozadar? My older sister's here. She's actually fasting, so that's why she's not eating. And just shit.
She could have stayed in the birds. She could have stayed with the birds.
Yeah, in the cage. She could have stood herself in the cage. But anyhow, she's not eating because she's fasting. Yeah, and we're letting her know how good it is. You can't. So the food was really good. We just left the restaurant, which is right here. It's called Red Chutney. So if I ever come back to this area, I'm definitely gonna come back.
Where are we going?
Oh boy. This is like the Daisy of all mothers. Look at all these Daisy people just walking around.
What is that something?
What's the cost?
Are you guys serious about the shop?
Yeah, आम ले लेते हैं.
ये देसी आम किधर से भाई?
बेटा.
So we're about to buy some mangoes. I can't believe we came to New Jersey just to do some shopping or grocery shopping. It's almost 7 o'clock and we got a 3-hour drive ahead of us. So it's because we got to go back to Washington DC. So it's a long way from, and we're stopping here to get some mangoes.
Mango.
Just mangoes. Right, Fajr?
Yeah.
What are we came here for?
Just mangoes.
Just mangoes. I can't see
There's
without
my
glasses.
dad. Here's my dad.
I have no idea where she went. Hello.
Why would your dad?
I have no idea where your mom is. I want to show you guys something. Come here. So if you eat ghee wali roti, and this is, oh by the way, Sonia, it's for you. It's a shout out, by the way. This is what happens. So remember you said the other day on Snapchat, ghee roti or something like that. So that's what happens. Uh-oh, he's yelling at this girl. He's like, aja, aja. Oh, so this is the sound. मैं को video game खेल रही.
Wait, what? What's the song?
Every time you scan something.
Oh yeah, I knew that. I knew that.
But I'm nobody found. Mehndi या आम? अच्छा मैं पान है.
नहीं. Is it Mehndi or Pan? Mehndi.
Mehndi.
मुझे इसकी कलर बनी.
हमने ये देखे दूध पीने के लिए. ये है क्या? So anyways, so we got the birds, which was cool, I guess, because we couldn't find them in Maryland. So we had to come all the way to New Jersey to get it. And hopefully kind of stop by somewhere in between, because my sister has to break her fast and probably grab a cup of coffee or something, you know. Let's look at the birds up there, because we locked them in the car for like a long time. Where are the birds at?
They're alive. But they spilled their food everywhere.
So let me demonstrate something. If I open the cage, they're not gonna fly. You want to see that?
No.
Oh, can I see the birds?
No.
I want to open them up.
No.
They don't fly.
No. How about if they do?
So who's gonna drive, you or me? Yes, because I had to drive like 100 miles an hour just to get to this place, because we were literally 2 minutes of closing when it came down to that shop. So now we're gonna go. He's gonna drive. I'm probably gonna vlog. Great. All right, New Jersey, goodbye. So now we're leaving New Jersey. We're gonna make a stop along the way. Probably grab some coffee or something. And grab some coffee and I guess get home. So let's.
Chakas.
Police reported ahead.
What is chakas?
Chakas.
What is that? What language? Yeah, chakas, whatever he said.
Carla Barbara. Santa Barbara.
Just go around and then go
Turn
park
left.
over there.
Then turn left.
Don't listen to that lady. Alright guys, so we're at the service station. Grab a cup of coffee. So we're at this place called Clara Barton service area. We're still in New Jersey. We're about 20 miles out from Delaware. And then Maryland, and obviously home. Try to see if they got a Starbucks in there. Hopefully it's open, because there's a good chance it might not be open. But you're welcome. And they have a Starbucks and it looks like it's open. So let's just use, I'm gonna first use the restroom real quick and then we'll get some coffee. Hey, how's it going?
What can I get for you?
Can I get two short lattes with double shot?
2 short lattes with an extra shot?
Yep. So at the Starbucks, and then after that we'll go home. That was pretty much about it. So not the end of the vlog yet, because we now got about 2 hours of driving. So probably just getting something from Burger King, probably some French fries or something. So once after that we'll head home. Anyways guys, if you are watching this, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. She got the Burger King cap on, right? Wow. So anyways, I got the coffee as usual, the double short latte. And so anyways guys, so if you want to do something, go for it. Don't hesitate, because that's the biggest mistake you could possibly make. So before I even end this vlog, I just wanted to throw that out there. Do not hesitate to get whatever you need to get. You know what? And if you have a dream, don't let people drag you down. So this is Delaware Bridge. So if you, where we're headed, we're going into Delaware. We're already in Delaware. But if you go back the other way, it's New Jersey. It's one of my favorite bridges apparently. So anyhow, so right now we're about to enter into Delaware. And Delaware is about 30 minutes. Literally, not even 30 minutes. It's about a 15-minute drive across state into Maryland. So we're about to go through the Easy Pass. How much is this thing anyway? Pakistan में भी इसी तरह है ना? हाँ
Yes.
See, we don't pay tolls because we're diplomats. What's going on, guys? So this is the end of the vlog. So I'm home. I'm actually editing the vlog as of right now. So it's gonna be posted pretty soon. So anyhow, I just wanted to end this vlog on a very positive note. Like I've said before, do not hesitate. If you have a dream in life, go for it. Do not hesitate. Whether it's a career or a hobby, you gotta have some time for yourself. But anyhow, thank you for watching. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment below, and share if you can. Anyways, guys, take care. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Goodbye.